Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was up 0.85% today. It hit an all-time record during the day. Again, that index goes back to 1957, so it's a big deal. The NASDAQ hit an all-time record today. The Russell 2000, the small cap stocks were up 1.9% today. This was a really powerful day, actually, and a lot of pieces that have been kind of falling, like small caps and energy and what have you, really had a big day today. Very, very fascinating. We had a little bit of a downturn last week, and the dip buying came in very aggressively and actually started to move it up. And one thing, if you look back over the year here, over the last, say, 6 months, the dips have been getting less and less and less, so it's shallower as time has gone on here. It really shows you the power of this market. And one of the things I like about investing is that every day the market is telling you something. And so you listen and you try to figure out what that is. And one of the things that I've been thinking about today is I've been watching all this power come in and what have you, and just eradicating essentially, the downturns that we had last week. Here we are in the last week of August, which is supposed to be a really poor week for volume and for, the markets themselves. And boy, we just hit an all-time high. And what I think the market might be trying to tell us is this is going to be potentially a better market than we thought it was going to be. I've been very optimistic about what could happen to the market here going to late last year, when the stimulus pieces started coming in and talk about infrastructure and all of these different components that the Federal Reserve has been talking about, and really looking forward to something happening here. There's been a few bumps in the road, obviously, with the Delta variant increase and those types of things, but the market is responding very, very powerfully. There is a lot of money obviously on the sidelines coming in and waiting for some of these dips to happen. And if they're not happening in the whole market, they're looking at some of these other pieces of the market and looking at those as buying dips. And so you're really seeing an unbelievable run that's happening here. And so we could be facing something even better than we thought, which would be amazing. So let's see what happens here. But a great day today, great day for all the portfolios, for everybody, really fun. I hope these days happen a lot more often, and I look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. Thank you very much.